Dear students, we are seeing about article. In previous video, we talk about here an article. We have to use an article before MA because the word MA starts with the sound of vowel sound a, MA, yeah. So that here we use an article. Third point, to talk about a person or thing unknown to your listeners. Here, my sister has two computers, a PC and a laptop. Before using here, we don't know about PC and laptop, so that here use a article. Using next sentence. The PC is quite old, but the laptop brand new. Already, we see the word PC and laptop here. Repeated the words PC and laptop here, PC. The noun PC which comes in the second time, so that here we use the article here. Here we use a article, but here we use the article. This noun is called repeated noun because already this noun is used here in the first sentence also. We know about PC and laptop. In the same noun which comes second time in the next sentence, so that this noun is called repeated noun. So, we use here the article. As per the rule, before the repeated noun we have to use the article. Here we use the article. Here we use a article because before using here, until using here, we don't know about PC and laptop. So that here we use a article. Okay, my sister has two computers, a PC and a laptop. The PC is quite old, but the laptop brand new. Fourth point, non-specific person or thing. Non-specific person or thing. Do you have a pencil? Here non-specific. Do you have a pencil? Here, non-specific. So that here we use a article. Do you have the pencil which I gave you yesterday? This noun is called specific noun. So that we here use the article. Okay. Do you have the pencil which I gave you yesterday? Which I gave you pencil yesterday. Is pencil, the noun pencil, specific noun. So that here we use the article. Here, do you have a pencil? Here, the noun pencil used as non-specific noun. So that here we use a article. Okay, let's say the rules of using the article. Before name of the river, we have to use the article. The Kaveri, the Yamuna, the Ganga, the Ganges. Okay. Before the name of the transport, it may be ship, flight, bus, trains, whatever it is. Before name of the transport, we have to use the article. Before name of the peaks, Everest, Kanchenjunga, K2, etc., we have to use the article. Before the name of the holy books, Bible, Quran, Bhagavad Gita, etc. Before name of the oceans and seas, whatever it is, oceans and seas, we have to use the article before the name of it. Before name of the musical instrument, violin, guitar, etc. Okay, before name of the musical instrument, we must use the article. Before the scientific inventions, whatever it is, calculator or computer or radio, whatever it is, before name of the scientific inventions, we have to use the article. Before an adjective which ends with est, it is called superlative degree. In the superlative degree, we have to use the article, especially an adjective which ends with est, the longest, the shortest, just like that. Before the name of the newspapers, the Hindu, the Dinatandi, the Indian Express, or whatever it is. The Indian Express is also name of the train. At the same time, the Hindu, the Dinatandi, the Malay Malar, whatever it is, the name of the newspaper, we must use the articles. Okay? We will see in your next video omission of articles. Okay? Just you recollect them and watch this video carefully and note it in your book or in your note. Okay? Bye. See you.